Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bank of America for HELOC funding for real estate deals, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have an active account with Bank of America. Log into your online banking account using your credentials. Navigate to the Home Equities section on the main dashboard. Select the option for Home Equity Line of Credit, or HELOC. If you already have a HELOC, locate the option to activate or fund your existing line. If you do not have a HELOC, click on the option to apply for a new one. Fill out the application form with your personal and financial details. Provide information about your property, including its estimated value and existing mortgage balance. Review the terms and conditions that Bank of America offers for HELOC. Submit your application and await preliminary approval. Once approved, you'll receive a funding notification. Log into your Bank of America account to view your available HELOC balance. If you want to withdraw funds, choose the Transfer Funds option in your account. Select your HELOC as the source account for the transfer. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and the destination account. Review the transfer details for accuracy before finalizing. Confirm the transfer and check for successful completion. Monitor your account for the transferred funds to ensure they arrive in your destination account. Remember to review your payment schedule for any withdrawals you make. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.